Since it is officially the spooky season, I thought I would bring you to a spooky place. Now, it might not look like such a spooky place right now, but wait until you hear the backstories. Obviously, any place that is abandoned is kind of creepy in itself. But what about when there's gunshot holes? Yes, any place that is decaying, forgotten, unused is creepy. Especially when you're up here late in the evening and you hear noises and you see those. Or when you see places like this, where obviously there was a structure at one time, and it's gone. And right here is a place where I know that a coven of witches, maybe it was witches, maybe it was satanic practices, used to come and use this altar. A friend of mine and I used to come up here all the time, and we would hike the trail, and there used to be a little bridge right over there that would lead across. And we have found black candle wax on this before, and we have found pentagrams on this before, and it's not just the pentagram, it is the upside down pentagram, you know, the one that looks like it has two horns. It's very cold right now up here. When I got out of the car, it was saying it was like 77 degrees, but it is cold here. Now let's talk about how many bodies have been found here. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think. 1, 2, 3, more. This used to be a happening little spot back in the day. Not anymore. Plenty of benches and picnic tables for ghosts to hang out at. There's a trail cam. I would love to see the footage on that. keep hearing something right over there that sounds like it's chewing or something. There's something about these tables that's just creepy. You can tell at one time that there was a structure here. Cyril the squirrel is up in the tree there. I don't know if you can see it, but you can hear him. There are so many bullet holes in this place. And of course, noises like that don't help the situation. I get back down to my car and it is so much warmer than it was inside that fence. I am kidding you not. The temperature just walking through that fence right there drops. And before anybody says, oh, it's because of the sun, well, look over there. The sun is shining. Same as it is here. But it is so much warmer here than it is there. And that wraps up our spooky place for today. Please like, please subscribe. See you later.